What if anyone, not just engineers, could have access to a multi-agent AI coding platform? Welcome to One Amazing Thing About Coder AI. Today we're talking with Elmer Morales, founder and CEO at Coder AI, and he's going to be sharing one amazing thing about their platform with us today. Elmer, welcome to the show.
Awesome, Greg. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Looking forward to seeing this in action. I love this part. I love this show because I get to see all these cool things. So, before we dive in, though, why don't we start with you giving a little background on yourself and your role at Coder AI?
so just a quick background. I'm a Guatemalan computer engineer. I've been coding for about 20 years now and built a lot of cool things. Over the years, at family events, Thanksgiving dinners, friends and family always ask me, "Hey, I have this great idea for an app. Can you help me build it?" And so a lot of those kind of conversations really led me to where we are today with Coder AI.
Nice, love it. And so, we're here to look at one amazing feature of the product. Let's start by talking about, why you chose this feature of the product to showcase, who's the audience and why is it important to them?
Yeah. So, Coder AI as a platform, we're helping people build apps, websites, and other software using natural language, primarily non-technical people that don't have access to coding expertise, if you will. And so, the feature we'll be showing today is our multi-agent team building capabilities. I chose that feature because we see a lot of cool demos out there today in the AI world, from OpenAI to other great, amazing companies. They're primarily just showing, one piece of the puzzle, which is code generation, right? And when you're building apps, you need a lot of different skills. You need user interface design, for example, different types of coding, front end, back end, et cetera, testers, deployment. Sometimes you need product managers. And so the feature that I'll be showing today is how we take that process in the real world and using AI, how we are able to deliver on that and help people build apps in a much different way than what you're seeing today in the AI world.
Nice, love it. Well, yeah, let's take a look. Why don't you share your screen?
Yep. Let me share my screen and jump right in. So first, let me start off by showing you how this works. So what we're going to be seeing today is, the process of building a team of AI coding agents. For those of you that don't know, AI agents are essentially, mini, think of them as digital employees, right? For those of us that want to scale ourselves and do more things, AI agents are there to help us with that. And so what we're seeing here is different roles within the software development process as agents. So we have a designer, a team lead that can sort of orchestrate the requests to the different individuals or individual agents, I should say, and so forth. And so the way it works is we'll assemble an AI coding team. We'll take a quick look at some AI coding agents that we have. And then once that team is assembled, we can put them to work.
Nice.
So shall we see a live demo?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's jump right in. So here I'm at koder.com. Let me jump into full screen mode here. And what we're seeing is several different AI agents that have coding and software development expertise. So we have Big Head here, Baby Elon. We have Ari, the designer. And these agents, when we prompt them with a given task, for example, they have specific expertise within that software development lifecycle. So a designer is going to be very good at creating wireframes, mockups, and things like that. A tester can find bugs and so forth. We'll take a look at Baby Elon here, for example. He's a front-end coder. Before we create that multi-agent team, we can see that Baby Elon, that there's different agent roles that we can assign to Baby Elon. In this case, we have him as a front-end coder. And we can also take a look at the models or large language models that are available. So within koderAI, we allow our customers to easily swap models and bring in best of breed. So just 2 days ago, Elon Musk launched Grok 3, and that capability and all those advancements that they're doing and all the billions of dollars that are being spent, we're now able to take advantage of that capability and bring it to baby Elon so he can code better.
Nice.
And before I create a team, I'll show you real quick. Big Head here, Big Head from the show Silicon Valley. We can see that, DeepSeek is another great model that took the world by storm just a few weeks ago. And the nice thing is that as these LLMs and as these models advance, we're able to take advantage of those capabilities and put them in a team for ourselves, right, to build things for us. So let's take a look at that one amazing thing. I'll go ahead and click create an agent here. I can create an individual agent or a team. We'll be taking a look at that team. So let's select an avatar for our team. We'll call it One Amazing Team.
Nice, nice.
That seems like the right appropriate team name. And the cool thing here is that one of the things that the world has never seen before within this AI coding landscape is the ability to put together these teams in a multi-model way. And so what I mean by that is that we can select, let's take Big Head, or actually we'll put baby Elon as our leader here using the Grok 3 model. And then we can start selecting and adding other team members. So this allows us to essentially mix expertise from different models into our final product, right? So we'll have leadership from Grok 3. Ari is a designer using Llama. And then we can have Big Head here using DeepSeek, for example. So although those LLMs are competitors and competing with each other, we can still extract the best of breed, right, capabilities from those models and bring them to the platform here. So I'll create the team, and now we have a team here that we can actually, run and request things from. In the interest of time, I'm going to show you another team that, we have, which is the Silicon Valley squad. So some of you might be familiar with the HBO show Silicon Valley, where we have Big Head as probably the world's worst coder.
Right.
Right. And here we can actually give them superpowers using DeepSeek, Llama, or any other LLM models to go and build things. So yeah, that's our one amazing thing, and we're excited for people to go and try it out and create things.
Yeah, I love it. So yeah, just a couple of follow-ups here. So that's really interesting that you can choose different models for different team members. So my assumption then would be, a team, they're seeing that they're getting really good results with UI in one model and writing code in another. Is that kind of the premise there?
Yeah. So within our platform, we're training specific AI agents and teams to make them available to people. So let's say if you want to build an Android app, for example, we're going to already give you a team that's ready to go and has good expertise with Android, specifically around design, the coding language, so Kotlin, for example, and also the deployment model. Now, for people that want to go a little bit more advanced, that might know, what they're doing or what models they want to use, we give them that capability to be able to mix and match different models together.
Yeah, love it. Oh, this is great. And definitely, I'm curious about some next steps here, and certainly those watching this and listening here, what would be a next potential step for somebody, after doing this, what might they do?
So, after you create the team, the next step is to bring your big idea and, input that into the chat and have it, watch it build, that idea, whether it's coding or designing wireframes or even helping you think through the features that you might want to add. You can do something as simple as giving it like a 1 or 2 line descriptions of the app that you want to build. So let's say if I want to do a mobile shopping app that allows people to exchange gifts, for example, I can do something as simple as that and have the AI develop the rest of the features or in the specifications, if you will. Or you can bring in, maybe you've been dreaming a big idea for a couple of years and you've just never had the resources to either hire engineers or go learn how to code. And now with koderAI, you can just bring that in here and start building your ideas.
That's amazing.
And who knows? Maybe you have that next big thing, right? Maybe,
Right.
I'm sure that, our goal here is really to unlock the human potential. We have about 30 million professional coders all over the world, but we have over 1 billion people that have amazing ideas and have expertise, domain expertise in different areas that I think can be unlocked in many ways that we haven't seen before, and that's what I'm excited about.
Yeah, I love that concept of, I mean, it's democratizing, creativity and innovation and things like that. So, yeah,
Absolutely,
love it,
absolutely.
love it.
And
Well,
so,
yeah. Well, thanks
oh,
again
sorry.
for joining today. For those that want to learn more, want to see more, what's the best way for them to do that?
So we launched a technical preview of the software. It's free to try at koder.com. That's Koder with a K. We'd love to for you to check it out, start creating your teams and building that next big thing.
Wonderful. Well, again, I'd like to thank Elmer Morales, founder and CEO at koderAI, for joining the show. You can learn more about Elmer and koderAI by following the links in the show notes.